I'm here with my beautiful Bentley Arnage. This car is gorgeous with 60,000 low miles. The color is simply beautiful. The paint is in excellent shape. You can see all of the chrome is just beautiful. The car is very well put together with the chrome accents and the color, the wheels. Brand new Pirelli tires on it. It's badged, as you can see, as a red label. But it is in fact the twin turbo BMW V8. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. The private plate is included. We open up the back, and you can see you have the classic picnic trays. Look at the veneer, absolutely beautiful. Power rear seats, air conditioning here in the back. It's got the lambswool rugs. They're very expensive, color matched. About £1,000 to get those. This was the first year for the new design. Bentley and Rolls-Royce used the same design since 1980. And 98, when this car was made, totally new design. Everything is pristine. Everything is super, super clean. You've got all of your power controls here, window switches, mirrors. Your CD player is behind the bezel here. It's absolutely beautiful. We're going to put the keys in and go for a drive. Alright, so put the key in the ignition. Oops, grabbed the wrong set. I've got two keys. One of which you can see here with your power locks. Alright, so put the key in. And there we go. We're up and air conditioning's on right now. Blows ice cold. We've got 67,000 miles. To shift on these vehicles, you pull up and come down. When you go and drive, the doors lock, as you heard. You've got an S button that you can press for increased performance. Again, this is a twin turbo V8. It's very quick. Your memory seating controls are here. Heated seats, power seats. You want to move forward, you can see I move forward, I want to go back, same thing. Cruise control on the steering wheel. Alright, let's go for a drive. The car... Alright, we got someone parked in front of me. The car drives excellently. There's no bumping or clunking, no funny sounds. The brakes don't squeal. It's really a great car. I mean, it's what you would expect from any well-maintained vehicle of this class with this kind of mileage. All right. And we're just cruising. Very silent, very smooth. All right. Let this car go by. Traffic's pretty busy, everyone's coming home, but I just wanted you to see that the car starts fine, it drives nice, and I hope to give you some confidence as to what the car is like in person, because I know you're looking at it on the internet, saying, wow, the pictures sure look nice, but this should give you some added comfort and faith that, yes, the car is in fact just as nice as it is in the pictures. Thanks for checking out my video. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to call, text, or email me. And don't be afraid to leave a comment either. Alright, thank you very much. Cheers and take care.